Hi, I'm Ben Maiden. I'm the director here at Matter Solutions, and I want to talk to you about Power Pages. And I'm going to explain to you why that's very important if you're doing online marketing. Okay, so the things I'm going to cover today are: what is a Power Page, why is it important, and what are the best ways of going about building a Power Page, and also what effect it has on your SEO, and what tips and tricks have we learned along the way that you should try and incorporate. Okay, so the obvious question is, what is a Power Page? Well, a Power Page is a very large piece of content. It's usually something that's very impressive, and the whole purpose of it is to be the best thing on the internet that addresses a specific set of questions or a specific topic. The thing that makes it really important is that it can generate links and citations over time. So you create the piece of content up front, lots of hard work, create this piece of content, and over time, other people who need to reference a particular topic are then going to use that as a source. They're going to quote, copy, maybe pinch bits out of it here and there, and they're going to link back to you and give you credit for this hard work that you put in up front. So it becomes a sort of an animal in its own right that then does a lot of hard work in terms of attracting links to your website. This is at the very heart of what we would call white hat SEO, so the real good guy stuff that you create great content and then the links appear. And this is really the pinnacle of creating great content, a Power Page. One of the best ways to do this is to have a set of ideas and then check those ideas against the market. And by the market, I mean the world of kind of social media and links. And there's a few good tools out there. A particular one is Buzzsumo. You can find out from Buzzsumo very quickly whether a particular topic is of interest to people. And you can find out maybe there's a peak blog post or a peak kind of page on somebody's website that's been promoted, hundreds of shares, thousands of shares, maybe it's got dozens and dozens of inbound links to it, and that means that it's got something in there that makes people want to share it, makes people want to engage with it and do things, and send it on to their audience. And primarily what we want to do is look at that original piece of work, maybe a combination of a few of the original pieces of work, and then create a better piece of content, something that's going to appeal. Maybe it's going to be visually better, maybe it's going to have better, more up-to-date data, maybe it's going to be more complete, you're going to cover more ground, and maybe you're even going to get some social input, some input from other experts all around the world, for example. The idea that Google puts in place is that you create the content and people will link to it. Well, it usually takes a bit of effort to contact people and actually encourage them to link to it. But of course, creating some content that's really, really good, and you know that other people have linked to equivalent kind of content, or maybe content that's not quite as good because you've bettered it, you can send those emails to dozens of people with confidence because you know what you're asking them to link to is awesome. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I guess I still am Ben Maiden, and we would love to hear from you. So please, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you've got a question, ask it here in the comments. Either I or somebody on my team will get back to you, and by all means, we would love it if you shared it with your friends and colleagues. And if there's anything we can do to help, give you some advice, some one-on-one coaching on how to do a Power Page, please get in touch. Thanks very much.